and then it's going to load through 14,000 in one go. But if you did it the traditional way, you would sit there for ages trying to add the asins. Once you've got this set up and working, trust me, you can bang out so many lottery campaigns in like half an hour. It's really, really fun. I've started doing it for all of my different marketplaces to sort of advertise lots and lots of different products in various different lottery campaigns very easily. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon Ads lottery campaign with literally hundreds of thousands of asins in just 5 minutes. The first thing you need to do is follow the link in the description, which will bring you to MerchJar, and here you can sign up to a free trial by clicking the blue button right here. You don't have to leave a credit card. You get an entire month free to try out MerchJar's different features, including this lottery campaign setup. Once you've created your account, you need to sync your data from Amazon Ads with MerchJar, and there should be a step-by-step guide once you've logged in that walks you through it. If you do get stuck, which does sometimes happen, it happened to me, then you can contact their support team. So at the moment it's located in the bottom left corner. If you click on your little profile icon right here and click on help, then this chat box will open up and you can quickly tell them, you know, I'm struggling, do you have any tips, etc. Step number 2 is adding the MerchJar Chrome extension to your browser. I will leave a link to this in the description as well. And once you've installed it and clicked onto it, this is the screen that will come up. So what we need to do here is add a token. And this one is pretty easy to get. You just have to click on the blue hyperlink right here. That will bring you to MerchJar. And there'll be a button that says Set Up Integration. Once you've clicked that button, you will have the token that you can just copy and paste into here. Then you want to add it, and then it will bring you to this sort of screen right here where you can log into your Merch account. If you haven't already, you should log in, and if it's not synced to your data, then you have to click refresh, and then you will get this sync products button. So this is where the magic happens. If you click this, we get this long progress bar because it's syncing all of our products with MerchJar, so we can download them all into a massive spreadsheet, which is really, really handy. So wait for that to finish. Might take quite a while if you've got hundreds of thousands of asins, and just in case it gets stuck as well, you might have to click restart. Once you're done with that process, you need to locate the tools section on MerchJar. It used to be on the left-hand side right here, and they're changing the dashboard, so it might still move, but at the moment it is hidden where this profile icon is, once again in the bottom left corner. So if you hover over tools right here, click on this, and then go to export asins. That is where you can export all of your asins from Merch in one go. You can do that to some extent with Productor as well, but if you get over a certain amount of asins, then Productor sort of freezes and crashes, and that's why we use this Chrome extension. If you're only going to do this for like say 5,000 asins, then yeah, you can still use Productor instead. So let's say we want to just do all of the American products. Just click on the account you desire, and it's going to whirl for a little while and then download a big spreadsheet for you. So if you open up your spreadsheet, there's a few things we can do right here to further customize our lottery campaigns, because at the moment we've got a really long list of a mixture of all of the different product types that we have on this single marketplace. And you can set up a lottery campaign like that, but let's say you want to filter out all of the different standard t-shirts or all of the hoodies for a winter lottery campaign, let's say. So a quick way to do that is right clicking onto the product type column right here, and then going to filter and filter by selected sales value. And now if you click on this symbol right here, we can just select multiple or one of the product types to filter out. And there we go. Now our list of asins is shorter because we've only got standard t-shirts selected. And now we need to copy all of the asins in this list by heading over to the A column, holding down Control and left clicking onto this. Then you also, while holding down Control, need to left click on asin, and then you can click Control C on your keyboard to copy all of the asins in one go. And then we can paste them into MerchJar. So let's jump into that. Right, so back in MerchJar, where we need to head here is the Ad Manager. We need to go to Add Groups in this case to add our asins. So let's say this first one was my lottery campaign that I wanted to add these to. Just left click to select that, and then you need to head over to Bulk Actions to add asins over here, and then you can just quickly paste these all into this box. Right here it says 14,000 is the total count. Once again, if you've got all products selected, in my case I think it's way over 100,000 individual asins, and then you just have to click submit, and then it's going to load through and add all of these to your ad campaign. 14,000 in one go. But if you did it the traditional way, you would sit there for ages trying to add the ASINs. And once you've got this set up and working, trust me, you can bang out so many lottery campaigns in like half an hour. It's really, really fun. I've started doing it for all of my different marketplaces to sort of advertise lots and lots of different products in various different lottery campaigns very easily. If you want to save time and get better results with the Amazon ads, make sure to check out this video next, where I walk you through the different automations that MerchJar has to help you out.